shit go crazy on TikTok too though. For real.
I'm kinda shocked with the bullshit. Play with this, you get a full clip. Ain't all longer than pool sticks. No, I don't promote violence, but I get guys. I go with the hooligan. Hit the back door, we done make it. Like I like fireman.
I'm in town.
You said a rug?
Hell no, goddamn blanket. I wish I wouldn't have put that.
It's 34 niggas in the basement that's ready to change your diaper, man. Like I
That
said,
shit look comfy than a motherfucker, cozy than a motherfucker.
It is. It's a fucking blanket.
Walk to the body, 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 walk to the body. Walk to the body, walk to the body, walk to the body. Yeah, he talking crazy.
I'm about to get on that YouTube shit hard too.
Me too.
Like, I almost mad at him. I start taking that shit extra serious.
Crazy. Nigga don't really want no
But like serious, well, I got to turn my whole closet to goddamn work club. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Put your hands
You really can
like series
goddamn.
type shit. You know what I mean?
You really can be what's the name as you cook up and shit. As you in the lab, recording yourself while you in the lab, talk to the camera, just showing them the process, all that shit.
I think I just be overthinking, man.
Content on content, nigga. The other niggas trying to learn to do what you doing. This nigga's in high school right now trying to learn to do what you do. Not even trying to learn, trying to watch. And want to do it when they get older.
Watch. But still, be consuming this shit.
Easy on the board.
You still travel?
Am I? Traveling harder than I ever did.
Swear to God.
On God. I've been selling bags and shit, nigga. I done sold.
What? Bags?
I done sold what? I only sold. I ain't gonna say it like that, but I sold 2 bags of Pedro.
Like you a Gucci man to flop.
I sold 2 bags of Pedro one time. I sold half a bag. Well, so I only do that to people I know, of course, but.
Yeah.
But hell yeah, nigga, I've been running across some. I ran across a plug, nigga. That's why I've been pressing the issue. That's why I can't leave. That's exactly why.
Yeah, why didn't you got down?
Huh?
I said, why you ain't leave though?
Cause man, I can't leave, bro. I'm emotional. Like, I'd rather trap than go sit in Michigan and
What was your plan in Michigan though?
pray and hope I get a moving job. That's what worked for me 2 years ago. But I ain't trying to keep sitting and wait on for some shit to come to me when I can just stay in control. So I just been on some lift shit and goddamn
Always be in control.
and trap.
Better talk to God.
Oh God. That's why I got down. And this music shit. You know what I'm saying? I plan on
taking
keep.
this shit serious.
You ever notice how the process never looks as pretty as the product? The hours spent cutting, stitching, redoing, they don't always get applause. But that's where the magic happens. In those quiet moments where most people give up, the creator keeps going. Every stitch, every idea, every mistake, it all adds up. Because what you're building isn't just fabric or design. It's proof that you believe in something before the world can see it. When the grind gets heavy, when it feels like nobody sees your effort, remember, creation is a form of faith. It's trusting that what's in your mind can become something real. There's going to be days where the vision feels blurry, where the progress moves slow, but pressure creates diamonds. And reputation builds mastery. You know? It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to start. And keep showing up, even when the results don't come easy. The dream you've been holding on to is waiting on your effort. It's waiting on your discipline. It's waiting on you to trust the process. So you just gotta keep creating, man. keep building even when no one's watching. Because one day, they'll see what you've been working. You know what I'm saying? They'll see what you've been working on in silence. And they'll call it talent. You'll know it was persistence. This isn't just about clothes. It's about courage. You know? It's about taking what's in your mind and turning it into something the world can feel. So whatever your craft is, music, design, business, life itself, keep your head up, keep your faith up, and keep sewing your dreams together, one stitch at a time. If you can think it, you can do it. Anything is possible.
You'll take out this track.
Crazy, nigga, shit, 2024, nigga. We don't need out here wildin', shit. In the A2, shit, I'm serving with my strap out. It's on my lap now. Who wanna play pussy, nigga? You gon' get clapped out. Like I stood up with my strap out. Who wanna act out? I put my belt out on these niggas, make them tap out. Like Warren Sapp, I'm by my sack now. I got my bucks up like the rims, we on the map now. Yeah, now this ain't WWE, I put the smack down. Yeah, I'm too raw to follow these niggas, I had to stand out. I get to spinning like Tasmanian devil, man down. Spin out, spin out, spin out, spin out, till you get juicy. I'm on my bullshit like Jimmy, I make my family proud, no penny. Kiki, do you love me like Drizzy? Shawty on demon time when I'm hitting. I bet you got many man like 50. I hit you, but I can't keep you, I'm picky. Shawty wet, sticky. Always asking hold the dicky. Nah, but you can hold this dicky. Come here, let me put on this shit like how I put it on. I'm drippy. I got flavors like simply shit get lyrical. Like lemonade, but I'm cold, but I ain't in it. I told these young niggas about your image. Can't be breaking bridges like bitch. He said he Tupac, got the juice. These niggas crashing out, bend the coop. Shot, I got the 30 poker, scared to shoot. But it's in the state of school, play the flute. These niggas really ain't trying to get the loot. Make your next move the best move.
What you making, B?
Oh, nah, no disrespect. I fuck with you. What I'm saying?
Bitch, I'm trying to get you a fucking documentary here. You sitting here trying to joke around and shit. Ugly ass nigga.
I ain't gonna lie. I really didn't even want to make these shits. That's why I fucked them up on purpose. See what I'm saying? You don't think the light too bright, bro?
No.
God damn. Show y'all some free sauce. Oh my God. I got that on the documentary. That was horrible.
You.
What's
What's up, gang? How you feeling?
I'm alright. How you doing, man?
I'm chilling, man. Fuck with my boy Shaq. Fuck with my boy Shaq today. Fuck with my boy Shaq. Had to pull up on Shaq today. Kicking shit over. Dang.
Okay. You with him now?
Yeah, he hear you.
Okay.
Yo. Don't ever call me on my gut and stop doing that, bro. You've been doing that shit for years, dog.
Nigga, I had to make sure you talking about the right skill and not O'Neal, nigga.
Yeah, I gotta tell you. What's going on, though, folks? You alright?
Nah, shit, man. Everything alright?
You know it. Trying to stay consistent, persistent, you know what I mean?
Not trying. You doing?
No, for shiggity.
Nah, for
For
sure.
shiggity.
For the shitty show. That's the name of the game. What you got going today?
Nah, shit. I'ma probably try to secure shit later.
What do you have?
So I have a video shoot.
Oh, okay, hard.
Yeah, for a little bonfire shit.
Oh, that's hard.
But that's not all for real. I ain't really got shit planned. It's a Sunday, man.
Yeah.
I'm really probably finna go for another. I went for a little hike yesterday.
Yeah, so what's the name? Where you did that at?
Some shit in DeKalb. It's a lot of that shit everywhere. It's one by my house.
Yeah, I'm about to say it's a little waterfall type shit.
What that shit happen?
Well, you no, I don't think you was there for Elite birthday when Sean everybody was out there.
Are you talking about the bamboo shit or Arabia Mountain?
Gotta be the bamboo then, cause it's over there about 316. Well, it's on 316.
I don't know. That might be bamboo shit.
Yeah.
I stay right outside of I can walk to this shit for real.
It's like a little waterfall type shit.
Yeah. That's where y'all was at?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this shit, I don't know if it's the one by me, but I'm just saying this one literally right outside my neighborhood. I walk to 316 and not far from me. It's only like 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, not in fact.
But,
This ain't far.
yeah, man. I had a quick question, man.
What's like that?
So, oh yeah, I had my, I forgot to tell you the other day, I got my 2020 shit I never filed too.
Mm-hmm.
You could do that? Or I should go somewhere else?
What you saying? You just want to do both? What you got, W-2s?
Yeah, I got W-2s from my 2020, because that's the only year I skipped. Every other year I filed taxes.
Yeah.
I did not file taxes for 2020.
Yeah. I was about to say,
so I have a W-2 from that year.
Yeah, we can do both. Not both necessarily, but we can join it type shit. It's just gonna give you more on top of it. But the ones I be doing,
you can join them together.
Not necessarily join it, but you know when you file taxes, you put all your income. So you gonna put your W-2s. I'm gonna put the W-2s in there, and then that's gonna be some guaranteed money. And then
but 2020, I'm supposed to be getting COVID tax credits for that year and shit.
So yeah, I don't know nothing about all that COVID tax credits.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm like, I might want to go somewhere else for that. That's why I'm calling to ask you.
Okay, yeah.
Like 2020 got COVID tax credits and shit. That was COVID year. That was the first COVID year. So
Yeah.
I need somebody to throw all that shit on my shit.
Oh yeah. No, I don't know nothing about it. But I do know a lady. I know a lady I can send to you though. Well, I can send you to her.
You know, goddamn, I got two ladies right now. I'm tired of bitches doing my taxes. I'm tired of attitudes. Bitches don't want to answer.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. See, the one I got, she gonna get you right ASAP. And she got an app. She got an app that she gonna have you sign in. You gonna fill out your income. It's an app for her, bro. She efficient.
So I gotta fill my shit out? I don't want to do nothing.
Yeah, you gotta fill it out, but it's simple though. It's literally like one page. It's literally one page where you just put in your income, your expenses. That's it for real. You putting your income on her and your expenses, and then she gonna send you some shit that you gonna sign off on, and that's it. And then everything else she gonna handle the rest.
I'm trying to do all that. I don't know all that. That's why I don't do taxes to this day, because I don't have time for all that shit.
I ain't got time for all that shit.
I don't, bro. Because that shit, I don't know what numbers add up to what. I be thinking if you make less and spend more, you're supposed to get more from your taxes.
No, facts.
Take your taxes from me.
Some shit I just learned was the least your income is. So if I rather say I made 20,000 than 30,000. So basically what I just learned is you always want to tell them you made less than what you put out. So your expenses should be way more than what you made.
But every time I do that on taxes, bro, my shit say I owe.
Oh yeah, no, that's different.
Literally, that's why I get frustrated with that shit. I'm like, I don't want to feel shit up. I just want to send this shit to somebody. And I just tried to do my taxes 4 days ago before I saw you doing my shit. Because I know how to do it, it just frustrates me.
Yeah.
Like,
I feel you.
I put in the numbers. The shit is saying I owe $500. Why do I owe $500 if I only made $15,000 but I spent $30, $40?
Right.
How the hell I owe $400? From where?
Nah, facts. I be thinking the same shit. I ain't gonna lie.
it's certain shit you gotta fill out on there that it's a part that I know I'm missing, which is why it frustrates me.
And them credits and all that shit too. People be knowing them credits.
You said them credits. I think that's what I be fucking up at. The deductibles and all that shit. I don't really know what the fuck that shit means. So.
And you did it as self-employed when you tried?
Did I do? Yeah, I did. Cause I didn't put no W-2 in there. I was just trying to see.
Cause you ain't got nobody that give a fuck. But when you get somebody that give a fuck, you don't give a fuck. That's the problem. This is why we clash all the time.
How you gonna ask me how I feel? And then you turn around and judge me just for keeping it real. Say I don't know how to fake kick it just to keep it real. Now look, you mad at me for saying something you ain't wanna hear. I know the truth hurt, baby, but with time that pain to heal. But we ain't got time to kill. Just tell me how you feel. They say that love don't cost a thing, but that's not what I feel. This shit more like a bill. I need a love appeal. I don't feel love in here. How you know when the love is real? I swear I done tried to stay down, but I just want something real. Bay out is fussing and fighting, make me wanna disappear. I don't know how to feel. How you know when the love is real? I just want something real. I just want something real. Say, what it's gonna cost me to run into something real? I need love often. I need something real to feel. That's what she lost me. If your love don't make me feel like I'm on the oxy,